Hello, Stickasaurus here, and today we're starting on King Ohger Blue. Tombo Ohger, I think. Close, maybe. A beautiful model by 30 Command Center. As accurate as it can be right now. It is January. It's the end of January. We still haven't had like the press conference or even a trailer. Rumors are we might get it today. So that would be cool. You see a little bit of discrepancies or anything, but I think it looks good enough. For sure. I have the visor buck printing. It fell overnight, so we're redoing it. And the front has this weird, I guess it was underscrewed a little bit. It might be a little bit of a pain to fix. You see where it's really light there. But we'll get to it. I don't think it's going to be too awful. These helmets are pretty simple, which is nice. I like it. I really like this weird mouth thing Blue has. You know, obviously it's supposed to look like a dragonfly, and it does. It does. I think it's awesome. But yeah, we're gonna sand this a little bit, then get some putty on it, and see how it looks. I think it printed okay. Okay, I think it's gonna need a good bit of work. More than just sanding it's gonna do. So let's get to it. After much debate, we're gonna go with the deep blue for this. The little live action teaser just came out yesterday, and he looks a little darker than brilliant blue. So we're gonna try this. If it doesn't look good, it's for me. It's okay. So as I was looking up reference to how to do this gem, there's a couple more pictures, like some of the Change Hero, they're called Action Hero toys now or whatever. Box art's out, and this is definitely supposed to be recessed, like down in. So that's that, and then the visor's wrong. It has like a diamond, like right in the middle, that's raised. So I mean, we're probably just gonna carry on like this, and it is what it is. Maybe we'll do a V2 if I can get 3DC to change it for me. Or we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna do the gem eyes, whatever. I don't know why I keep calling them gems with this extreme lacquer blue. I think it should be good. And then we'll move on. I'll probably get the visor. I did sand it. It's over there. You can see it. I'm gonna wet sand it. Hopefully we can get it formed today. And then we should be close to clearing it. Okay, we're gonna glue Blue's visor on now. Here it is. Again, I don't think this is accurate. We're gonna roll with it. I think maybe we'll probably get yellow out before this one. And the press conference is this week, so maybe if we see how it looks, I can maybe model the little part that goes here, print it out, and just glue it on, and it should be fine. I mean, that's a plan. We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna glue it on with some light coat of this Go-To glue, Loctite. It doesn't turn to plastic white, so that's the plan. And we just formed this and put some spray tin on it. It turned out pretty well, so let's get to it. All right, everything's inside, so let's get to the spin around.
it is, Tombo Ohger, all issues and everything. We at least pulled it off. We got it here. We got the visor done. We got a little bit of a line still from the under extrusion. Just on the bottoms here on both sides. We took care of the top. A little bummed out about that, but you know, we were rushing, and I thought I took care of it, but it's not a big deal. Unless you like get in up close and look at it, you can't tell. I think the visor turned out fantastic. There's a couple spots up here we didn't get black on, which is kind of a bummer. I thought the visor would cover all this, but we had to go about it a little bit differently because it didn't suck the whole way down with the buck. It was an intimidating visor, but other than that, I think it turned out great. Everything. People get weirded out by the mouth, but I think I really like it. And I'm pretty sure I said it earlier in the video. If not, I don't think this visor is 100% accurate. Judging with some of the pictures, it's so hard to tell. I think there's a design that bulges out here a little bit in like a diamond. I can't tell for sure, so I understand why 3DC modeled it like this. Perfectly fine. Tonight is the press conference, so we should get a teaser trailer. I guess we already got the teaser trailer. We should get a trailer and meet the cast tonight. So I'm looking forward to that. Maybe we'll finally get some closure on what this is actually supposed to be. I'm not saying for sure, but maybe we'll do a V2 or figure out how to fix this and do a little follow-up video or something, but we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're enjoying all these King Ohger videos. I've been really trying to kill myself trying to get them out. So I hope it's worth it. I hope you're liking them. I know I am. It just gets me more and more excited for the show and the mech and all that. I think we're doing good. We got one left. We got 4 out of 5 done. We got one left. Papillon Ohger, purple. That is not even to the paint yet. So we need to get going on it. We will get there. I promise. But thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props. As always, down in the description is the link tree for a link to the merch store. If you're interested, we got cool pixel art shirts and all that. The Patreon, we've got a lot of fun community builds going over there. We got Tokyo 8, Tokyo 9, Live Man Gazelle. Those are just community build 4 and 5. We've got an extra Zenkaiser, a helmet, a couple custom helmets, all kinds of stuff going on over there. Lots of fun stuff. So behind the scenes, exclusive videos. Check it out. $1, you can't go wrong. But if you want to give more, there's a lot more great rewards as well. And again, also the Discord, come hang out, show off your Sentai collection, talk about your favorite show. We all have fun there as well. And if you're interested in any of the patches, K20 Customs, he has all the King Ohger patches. Use my code KRStronger or the link down in my description for 15% off your patch order, and make sure you pick them up. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with Papillon Ohger.